everyone.
Hey.
So we're in the hot sun, so we're gonna make this a quick one. I hope.
Yes.
Hope.
We say quick,
Yeah,
and then
probably
it
won't
turns
be.
into
I'm already sweating.
a long one.
I'm still in my full garb. If you don't know why, just check out our garden tour and you'll see why I'm layered head to toe. But we're gonna try and get out of the sun quickly because it's just really bothering my skin. We've got a few things that we're gonna do today. We're gonna move some grasses. We're
Yep.
gonna add some grasses, and we're gonna add some elephant ears to our pond area. So we are gonna move our blue tip grass. You would have seen that in our July garden tour. If you've watched us before, if you saw that tour. If not, go back and take a look at that. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. We did hit our 700 mark.
Yes.
Thank you for all of our subscribers. We really appreciate you. So let's talk about what we're going to plant today. So I do have a couple of elephant ears. I'm going to show you this one, and then I'll show you the other one when we get there. This is just a regular alocasia. Nothing special about it. It just says California alocasia. That's it. It was on clearance, so it was $7.
Yep.
So I grabbed it. We're going to plant this back here on our pond. I've got a dark one that we're going to plant as well. Again, got it on clearance, so I decided to pick it up. We are going to move our blue tip grass, and we're going to replace it
With this beautiful, beautiful grass. It's very sharp, so I have to be careful. This is the blue dune lime grass from Monrovia. And I just think that this is going to be so pretty. We're going to put this in place of the fountain grass. And this it's a mounding like grass. Let's see, 2 foot wide, 3 foot tall.
caveat to the 2 foot wide.
Yeah.
It does say it spreads aggressively.
Yeah, it does say that it's also very heat tolerant and fills in quickly in large areas, vigorously spreads.
Yeah, so we're going to be careful.
Yeah.
We're going to watch it. We're kind of hoping it spreads a little bit so we can pick
Yeah.
some out and put it in other places.
Yeah.
But if it spreads too aggressively, it's coming out.
Yeah, we'll have to take it out.
Yeah.
This is also perennial, and it's good for zones 4 to 9. So very hardy,
Yeah.
very hardy grass.
This will look great on the edges of our
Yeah.
pond. That blue color we really are missing in this area. So that'll give us that nice pop of blue,
Yeah.
and it'll come back every year.
Yeah.
So really excited about that. So let's go ahead. We're going to dig up the blue tip first, and then we're going to move that over in front of our urn over here. I still love the blue tip. It's just not in the right place.
Yeah,
So
it's
we're gonna,
just getting smothered.
yeah, and it's just not big enough for what we need it to be right there. Plus,
No.
I think it's a little bit too wet. It wants it more on the dry side, so I think it's going to be happier where we're going to put it.
Yeah.
So we're going to get to moving these, and then we'll bring you along to show you the planting. All right, we got the blue tip grass moved, all tucked in. We'll water that in just a moment, but it's going to look so much better there, and it'll be so much happier versus where it was over here. So now we're going to go ahead and just get everything planted. Our phones are overheating, so we're having difficulty filming. So we're just going to do this quickly. This soil is really wet. It's right next to our pond. I actually broke a couple of roots from our willow tree, which I'm kind of sad about, but it'll be fine. This elephant ear is going to love this wetness. Now this is going to be annual for us. I know it's a big plant to buy for an annual, but it cost me like 12 bucks. It was on clearance. Let me see if I can get you a kind. Alocasia Regal Shield, and it was $12. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful plant. So we're going to get this in the ground, and it should be very happy. Now, if you wanted to overwinter this, you could. You would just dig it out, should be a bulb, overwinter it inside. Easy peasy if you want to do that. I'm not too concerned about it. We'll think about it if we want to do that or not. Probably not. Little biotone, never hurt anybody. I imagine this will be very root bound.
If I can get it out.
Yeah, we might have to cut the pot off. Oh, yay. Turn it around. Let's take a look at it. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
That's going to be a spreader. Here's what you're looking for. So see how these rhizomes are coming out right here and right here? This is all going to spread out. So it's going to spread and spread and spread and spread and spread. So we are going to have to be very careful with this.
Yeah.
We are going to break up the bottom pretty heavily.
Yeah.
Y'all don't be scared of this. Just go for it. It's not going to hurt the plant.
Is that good?
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, we keep our biotone in a bucket.
It's just easier that way.
Yeah, those big bags are hard to carry around. Oh, I love it already.
Now the hard part.
I'm so glad you picked this one out because you don't like plants.
Yeah, this is gorgeous.
You have difficulty
No,
picking
I
plants.
like plants.
You do like
But
plants, but you don't love plants.
When there's one that I really like, it's an immediate. And this was an immediate. We were at Lowe's and I was like, oh, look at that grass.
He did walk around a few times before he
I don't know
decided
if I'm
yes.
going to get that grass. And then he said, if you like that grass, get the grass. So I got the grass.
Y'all, we go through this every single time.
Yeah.
Where are we going to put it? Where are we going to put it?
Yeah.
Where are we going to put it? There's
will-
always a place.
Yeah, I will tell you, this grass is sharp and
It is.
irritating.
Yeah,
Because
it's-
look at my skin already.
It's pretty bad. It is
already
pretty bad.
red
So y'all
and
be
it's-
careful.
Yeah.
And we've got long sleeves, but we're going to pull it. It's so hot.
Yeah, it's very humid, so it's just one of those, you love
Yeah.
it and you just got to pay the price.
We're going to use a little bag dirt to fill this in. So
Yep.
we're just going to backfill this hole. Same thing. Look at these
Yeah.
roots. How they're
Look at
trying to
that.
spread already.
Right there, that's
All
all over the
rhizomes.
place.
Yep.
So yeah, we'll have to be careful. We'll just watch it and we'll have to pull pieces if we don't want them all.
The good thing is we can pull pieces and put them elsewhere if we want it to spread somewhere else.
Yeah.
So free plants. So positive side.
See pretty back in there. Try to replace
I think
that.
it's too wet back there.
Replace that stuff that grows there already.
It's too wet back there. This one's dry. See, this is the thing about grasses. They always have roots like this.
Yeah. I think that's good. Good.
Yeah. So here we are. We had to take a little break. This video may be a little here and there and everywhere because our phones kept overheating. We kept going back and forth between two phones, but it just wasn't working. So sorry if it's a little bit pieced together, but hummingbird moth is just going to town
Yeah.
on the superbina. He is loving his life. We just love those. They're so cute. We have so many this year. So we've got our grasses in. What do you think?
I love them.
Yeah, I think
It's
the
exactly what we needed.
the blue actually brings out the red and the coleus.
Yeah,
Which
it
is
looks
really
really
nice.
good. And it's gonna, when that really feels out, I wouldn't mind for it to spread just a touch. And it just feeling that full corners on, well, both corners of that.
And it is going to spread. Like it's going
Yeah.
to spread. We can already tell it's trying to in its can. So
Yeah.
if you do get this grass, be careful of that.
Yeah.
Just be wary that you're going to be dealing with that if you do get it. I did do the elephant ear back there. I love the big, bold foliage. and that'll just get bigger and bigger. It's very wet back there, so it's gonna like that. And I did the smaller one over on this side, which again, these are just gonna be annuals for us. I just got them because they were on clearance and thought they'd look nice around the pond, which they do. This grass, I'm probably gonna cut back a little bit of the Sun-Patient to give that a little bit of room because it's a little snug. But yeah, I love these. I think they're gonna be a great addition. They really do flank the pond well, and the blue tip is going to look a lot better back here where it's at. So it's going to be a lot happier back there, which you can barely see it, but it's going to be nice back there, I think. I'm looking a little worse for wear. Y'all, I hate this hat.
He hates wearing that hat.
I can't stand it. I have to wear it, but I can't stand it. It's so hot, and it's just miserable, but I don't want to complain.
Oh, okay.
The rock moved. This right here looks great. It looks great. I think it was a good choice. You made a good decision.
As I normally do.
Yeah, you just don't make decisions often on plants, so I'm glad when you do that you do. That way we'll get them and I don't have to say why we need it. So I love that. Anyway, we're done for this project. I think we're going to take a break and let it cool down a little bit. We do have a couple more projects to do today, so we're going to bring you along for those as well. But thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you. As always, what do they need to do?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Please subscribe. We really appreciate you. Comment on our videos. Let us know what you think. And if you've got this grass and it's spread all over the place for you, we want to hear about it. But let us know what you think. And we love your comments. So have a good day. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.